Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Network for You. We welcome you all to our Python series Python for Network Engineer. If you remember, in our previous class we done the creating multiple VLAN by using the another file, fetching the IP address from the another files. If you remember, we have another file, we have the IP address in this one, different IP address we have, that is 192.168.2.145.146.147, and we fetch IP from this file and we perform the operation whatever we need to create the VLAN. We done this one and we are happy, and now we are going to learn how we can take the backup. If you remember, in our previous class we done, if we want to take backup, we will go individually one by one devices and we will write show run, and after that we will press enter, and then we will copy this one. If you remember, we do this way, right? We do this way, then I will copy like this. I will go up, I will copy this whole thing till here, and then I will open the notepad and I will paste the configuration in the notepad and I will save this file with the name of the device. So generally we are taking like this way backup, but now in this video we are going to learn how we can take the backup by using the Python script. Okay, so here what we will do, this whole thing remains same. Okay, in this one we use the open function, with that one we open the file and we fetch the IP. So this everything will remain same. Here we don't want to create any VLAN, so I will remove this one. Okay, I will remove this one. After that, what I will do here, in this one we need to write as a enable password, then I will write here show run. Okay, instead of config t I will write show run. Let's see here, I will write show run. Okay, so let me save and check this one is working or not. After that we need to store this in another file, so I will execute this one. When I execute, here I am getting the username, that is admin, and the password is the Cisco. I press that one, so it is fetching and it is going to perform that operation here. If you see here, it is telnetting that device. Okay, so let me see here what is happening here in this device also. It will go to one by one devices and it will perform that operation. So here enable and the enable password, then it writes show run, and here they put end and they exit that one, and remain all configuration whatever we have, it is showing here. Okay, so our commands is working 100% perfectly. If you see here what I am saying, they are accessing the device. Okay, let me repeat again. In our previous class what we done, we use the open function, we have another file here, this is IP file. In this one we have the IP. Imagine in your organization, if you have 200 device, you will have the IP of all the 200 device here. Okay, with this Python script what we will do, we will open that file and we will take the first line and we will do the telnet and we will perform the username password, and then we are going to run the commands whatever we want to run these commands. After that we will exit that mode. Okay, and if you see here, it will open this file, it will read the first IP and perform all operation on the first IP. Then again it will read the second IP, perform all the operation in the second IP, again third IP and perform all the operation in the third IP. So here what we will do, I remove the other configuration, so we are going in enable, I am writing the enable password, then I am writing the show run. So it will show the whatever configuration we have, and this end no need, so I will remove this one. Okay, and I will move this up, so it will be look okay. So this one, after that I am printing this one, right? I am printing this all whatever is operation perform, I am printing on the screen. So instead of printing, what I will do, I will put in one variable. After that we will open one file and we will store in that one. Generally we will open the notepad and we will save the configuration. So here with this command I write show run. So I am going to store this with this command we will get the output whatever we are getting the output. So I will store this output in one variable. We can give any name. I will write example read output. So whatever output we are reading, it will store in one variable. After that I can open one file, same like here we use the open. I will use the open, this is a open read file. I will write here open write file. So we will open one new file and we will write this all configuration whatever we get in that one. Okay, so we will fetch that one, we will write and we will close and we will print out. So how we will do, let's see here. So after this one, if you see here, this is the complete that file coming the configuration. So here I will define any variable. I will write read, okay, read, and then I will write here read output. We can give anything, read output space is equal to, and let me remove this bracket, no need for this bracket here and here. Okay, so this is a variable, whatever operation is performed, show run, it is coming in this one. I am putting this in the read output variable, and after that I need to open a file. So I will write here, I will open one file. So I will write here like open, and I will give here inside this one I will write the file. So which file I need to give the name, so I will give the name like example, I will write here switch, or switch name we will give here. Okay, so I will write here, let me put this colon, and then write here our wish, whatever name we want to give. So I will write the switch, so it will create one file with this name, switch, this one, and then I will attach the IP also along with this one, so we will know which IP this belongs to which IP. So let me write plus, and then plus, after the plus I will write the host. I will assign the IP, so I will write the host. Why? Because in the host variable we have the IP. Okay, and this file should be saved in the form of text. So I will write here text like .txt. Okay, and after that I will put comma, and then I will write here w. Why I am writing w? Because I need to write this one. In our previous lab here we did not write, means read. So we are saying read this file, but here we are saying create the file and write in that file with the help of w, this one. So I write here w, and open switch s. Okay, so let's see here, let me remove one comma extra here came. So switch underscore this file, and then after that what I will do here, I will store this, we open the file, right? We open this file, so we will store in one variable. So I will define one variable. I will write here example save output. Anything you can define, I am defining with the save output, and I will give is equal to, so this variable will store in the save output. And after that we need to what we can do after that, we can, let me move the cursor here and move this also. Yeah, so after that whatever file, this is a variable. Okay, this is we created the file, and we are going to store in the variable. After that in this variable we are going to write. So what I will do here, I will write the variable save output dot write. After that bracket, and what we need to write, we need to write whatever we read out. So I will write this one. Okay, let me see here. Here we have all the variable, whatever operation perform. Example show run we done, so that all show run detail is present in this one. I store in this variable, and here I open one file. This one is nothing but to creating a new file. It will create the new file with the name switch plus IP address, switch IP address. It will create new notepad. Okay, and then it will be present in this one. So then this is a file, it is present in this variable. So what I will do, I will write inside this file with the help of write. And what I need to write, I need to write whatever is stored in this variable. So I will write this is in this variable. After that I need to close. So what I will do to close that one, I will write same variable name save output dot close. Okay, after that I will print. We want to print to check everything is coming correctly or not, so that's why I will write print. Then what I want to print, I want to print the read, whatever I read. So I will write read output. Okay, so let's see if any spelling mistake, anything. Read output, whatever I define here, read output, I put this here. Okay, and this is a save output. So everything look good. So let me save and perform the operation, and let's see. If you see here, we don't have any file with the name of switch and the IP address along with this. So let's see it will work or not. Okay, first of all let me clean this one and then run again. I run this one. If you see here, it is asking me the username, so I will write the username admin and the password is the Cisco. So when I write here, it is telnetting the device. Okay, 192.168.2.145. after that it is going to enable and then it is going to write show run, and it is going to take that one and going to create another file, new file here, and it is going to store in that one. So let's see, it is taking time. It will take some time in real scenario also, it will take some time. It is telnetting this one. We will wait and we will check. Okay, let's see. This one you understand, right? What we are doing here, we are whatever output we are coming, we are storing in one variable, and with this one we are creating a new file and we are putting in one variable, and again we are writing whatever output we get in the in that variable with the help of write function. So it is going inside this file, then we are closing that file and we are printing that one, so it will come here. So let's see here what we are getting. So device is okay, we need to wait some time. So if you see here, we have this here, these files are not present before, now it is created. Okay, so let me repeat again, and also if you see here, we have this configuration here. If you have confusion, let me delete again and let me write again. I will show you again. See here what I done here, let me show you. This is finish, I think. Let me delete this one. Okay, see here whatever we done in our previous class, again I will repeat. If you see here, this is a code what we used before. Okay, what we done here, this is a file handling open function. Okay, so with this one what we done, we are opening one file. Before we created manually this file and we put the IP address of all the devices. In our lab we are using 3 devices. You can imagine we are having the 300 device, so you have all the IP address of the 300 device here. Okay, and then you are opening that file and you are taking the first IP and you are performing this operation, telnet operation, performing all the username and password. Okay, after that what we are doing here, I delete the VLAN configuration. We are going to the first device, we are writing enable and enable password, then I am writing terminal length 0, and then I am writing show running configuration and exit. So with this one it will show whatever configuration is the running. Generally if you want to take the backup, you will go inside the device, you will write show run and you will copy all the backup like this. Example, let me show you. Example like this, you will copy all this configuration and you will paste in the notepad as we discussed. Okay, but here Python is going to do that one for us. So with this one what we done, we enable, we go in the enable mode and we run the show run configuration and then we exit. After that all this value whatever is show run is showing, it is present in this one. So we created one variable, we read output and we put that value inside this one. Now I have the value, I need to create a new file and store that all value in the new file. So what I done, I open the new file. With this command we are opening the new file. How we will open, we need to write open and give the file name whatever name you want to give. I am writing the switch and then write plus and host. Host means whatever the switch IP, it will come that one. Example, I have 192.168.2.145. So this device backup means it will come switch _192.168.2.145. So with this one we can know that this is a backup of that particular device. Okay, so that one I put and I am writing here the extension for this file will be txt. So that is nothing but notepad, and then I am creating here, I am writing here w means write inside this file, and this all thing I am storing in one variable. I am saying that save output. So I am going to store all this thing in the save output variable. Okay, and after that one what I am doing, I need to write in this one. So with this is a variable, okay, where I am opening one file with this name. I need to write inside that variable. So how I can write inside that variable, I will go here, I will write here save output same variable, and then dot write, and I will write here. I have all the value. Show run output is here, so I will take that output. I will put inside this file. Okay, I will take this one. I will take this one and I will put here. Put here means inside this file I am putting that one. After that I am closing that file, and whatever output we have, we are printing also. Okay, so I hope this video is clear for you, and if you want to check, we can go here in this file and we can check whatever operation we perform. It is showing here. If you see, all the configuration of the switches are present in this file, and if you see in this file, and if you see in this file, and where this file is located in our location, let me show you the location. See here in this one, automatically this files created with the IP address, this one, and all configuration is stored here. If you want to open, you can open, you will get this all detail. If you want to run the same code, let me run and show you. So what I will do here, instead of this one switch, I will change the name. Okay, I am writing the name s underscore host name. So here you will have the new file by the name of s underscore IP address of the device. Okay, let me run this code again, so it will be clear for you. So I am running this code. Okay, here it will ask me the username is admin, and the password is Cisco. So I am writing Cisco, and I am pressing enter. If you see here and see here, observe here, automatically these files are created and it is run all the code, everything is performed here. Okay, and this is a file, all files came here. If you want to check here inside also, you can go here and you can see this is a new file what we have. So this is a backup of the devices. If you have 200 devices in your organization, you can get the backup in a 1 minute. Just press run, automatically this code will take the backup of all the devices. Okay, I hope this video is informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing our channel. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friend who is interested in CCNA, CCNP and Python. Thank you. Bye.